Okay, hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about a malware scam in the name of Camtasia. And Camtasia, that's a software I'm using right now. That's a software to record your screen recording software, and it's a big company. And these scams are addressing YouTubers and pretending that this company wants to work with you together and make an ad on your YouTube channel. And what happens if you fell for it? Well, I got feedback from one of my last videos is that usually if you execute the malware on your system, they will take control over your YouTube account and Gmail account. And it's very difficult to get it back. So if you get an offer, which sounds too good to be true, it probably is. In this case here, Camtasia writes an email here, and if you look closely here into the from address here, well, this looks very, very strange, and basically this is a first indicator that this is a false offer. And basically you get this email here, and they are talking about a cooperation here, and all I need to do is visit this website here, enter this code, and have a look to the contract, and then we can work together. Okay, let's open the contract. As you can see here from the URL, it looks very similar to DocuSign, but it's a different domain name. And for security reasons, I absolutely do not recommend it open it on your system. So I will just copy the address here and switch over to my Linux virtual machine. Okay, I'm opening a web browser here and paste my address here. And well, the virtual machine prevents that this code or malware gets executed, and if it gets executed, it stays in this virtual machine and I can reset the virtual machine. Additionally, I'm using Linux here because most malware addresses Windows and Mac users and not Linux. Well, we get on this web page here, and as you can see, DocuSign and the website looks very good. It's good quality, it looks legit, and they even have this cookie message here. So very complete website. Okay, we enter the invite code here, which is provided here in this email. I try to copy it over, but it works now. And I can now jump to my file here, and what the heck, I cannot view the file online. I have to download it. It's another red flag if you have to download anything onto your computer. Well, it's not so good. So if you click Edit Offline here, well, what it does is it does download you a zip file here. I've already done that. I go to my download folder here, and you get this Camtasia contract mediakit.zip. Have a look at it, and in there are several image files, there are video files, and there seems to be a media kit for macOS, but it's just a text file here. But if you look into the Windows section here, you see here's our malware contract new contract.exe. It's an executable file, and if I execute this on my computer, I get infected and then I'm in trouble. So, and as you can see, the zip file is also encrypted here, and we need this password here to unzip it. I've already done that. So let's have a look here, and there are several files which are harmless. For example, this image file here. I still do not recommend to open these files on your computer, but we are here in a virtual machine, and there are even videos in here. I think they have stolen it from the Camtasia website, and this is all done to make it look like, well, it's a real thing. So we also get instructions here how we can run this contract, and here's our .exe file, and under no circumstances I should execute this on my computer, on my Windows computer. And so basically you should not come to this point and having this file extracted, but if you have done that and you are here and you have not double clicked on that, you are most likely safe and you are not infected. In any cases, if you are want to check a file you got by email or you have downloaded, you can go to VirusTotal.com and upload the file here. And usually what this does is it will show you, it will check the file with multiple antivirus software, for example, AVG, Avira, Avast, and all other sorts of antivirus software. And usually what you can see here is that at least some of these will detect malware in that file here. But this file here is so fresh that no antivirus software detects it. So you have antivirus software installed on your system. It's most likely that this software will not detect the malware because they create it new every week or so, or every days, or maybe even hours, that antivirus software cannot detect this. So usually you get a few detections here. That's a red flag. But here, this is so fresh that no antivirus software detects anything here. The only thing, you can go here to community and you get an HTML report here, but it's very hidden here. And this shows then that this is a malicious software here. So, well, my suggestion is be careful if you get these proposals via email. And well, that's it.